Assalamu alaikum. Today we have the phone from the Huawei owner. The model is Honor 10 Lite, and today we're gonna replace the screen for this phone. You can see it's
apply a
broken.
little heat from the back side. On the phone, so it cannot easily open from back side.
Be careful about the fingerprint cable. You will remove this part. And then first of all remove the battery. As I say, every phone you have, when you are going to open, you will remove the battery first. Then remove the finger cable. Then here is the screw. Then first of all you will put the new screen. Check is the screen problem. We have this Honor screen from Honor 10 Lite. First of all, we will check the screen from the outside. Oh yes, it's working. Because when the customer bring this mobile, it was not showing any sign of display. Okay. First of all, we will check the screen. Then we will install the screen by removing the battery. In this video, I will show you also how to remove the battery. Yes, now you can see the phone is working. There is no password on screen. The easiest way to check the new screen is to hold down one icon and move around the screen every corner. If it's not stopped, then it means the screen is perfect and ready to fix. Now we will we will do, we will remove the battery and put the new screen. The best way to remove the screen is this one. Apply a little heat on the edges of the front side of screen. Put your opener downside the screen carefully. Be careful about the glass. Now there is the cleaning process. You must clean screen. You must clean the frame so the screen can be perfectly fit into the frame. Bagi sudah tegak bos. check the screen. Is it fit down in the frame or no? Yeah, it's perfect. It's perfectly can fit down in the frame. Put the glue 7000 as we use for all mobiles at the screen and the back. You can use any type of cleaner to clean the edges of the screen. Now the second step is to put the screen connector, put back the battery, put the charging cable slot, and then put back the finger cable, and then this plastic cover for holding the motherboard. Backside because if any dust or something. Again, B7000 and I recommend it for all mobiles. The main part is put the rubber. You may need for 3 to 4 hours so it can stick to the screen perfectly. Now the screen is working. 10. Lite. Like and subscribe our channel for more videos, for more screen bearings, for Samsung, Huawei and iPhones. Thank you very much for watching.